Welcome to MarineMax in Fort Myers. Today I'm going to walk you through the 19 SPX by Sea Ray. This particular boat is a 2020. As you can see, it's on a trailer. It has a swing tongue, so you should be able to fit this into most garages. The boat is black and white, gel coat, single axle trailer. It's powered with a 115 Mercury Pro XS, and that is a 4-stroke. So you can see it has a bimini top as well that can be folded down for transport. Nice big platform area in the back, easy to walk through. Up on the boat now, you can see there's a nice big bench seat in the back here. Plenty of room for 2 or 3 people. And one of the cool features on this boat, because it's an outboard, it opens up a huge storage area underneath this lounge. So pop that up and you can see there's a ton of room in there. You can fit an extra cooler, rafts, all your beach gear. Plenty of seating to the port. That front cushion is removable, and you can set it underneath this cushion if you don't want the lounge. It has a Fusion stereo system, SmartCraft electronic gauges, depth finder, great bow seating. Doesn't come to a sharp V in the bow, so you get a lot more room than you normally would. You can see it's pretty rounded off. 3 or 4 people can comfortably fit up there. Here's a good overview of the entire layout of the boat. If you want more information, we'd be happy to show it to you in person. Please give us a call, 239-481-8200. and we can set up an appointment. Thanks and have a great day.